Good morning, little star so bright. Did you sleep well through the night? Time to stretch and start the day. Laugh and learn and run and play. Brush your teeth and comb your hair. Put on clothes with love and care. Tie your shoes, one loop then two. Off to school with fun to do. See the sun up in the sky. Waving clouds are floating by. Birds are singing chirp, chirp, cheer. It's a happy day, my dear. So smile big and do your best. Listen well and take your rest. School is fun for you and me, a place to grow and dream and be.